Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix a cracked foundation with foundation repair, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing the extent of the damage. Look for visible cracks along the foundation walls. Take note of the size and location of each crack. Use a measuring tape to gauge the width and length of the cracks. Next, clean the cracks to remove any debris or loose material. A wire brush or vacuum can be helpful for this task. Once clean, prepare a suitable patching material. Epoxy or polyurethane foam are popular choices for small to medium cracks. Apply the patching material using a putty knife for even distribution. Ensure the material fills the crack completely. For larger cracks, consider using a hydraulic concrete patch. This option provides additional strength and durability. After applying the patch, smooth the surface for a polished finish. Allow the patching material to cure according to the manufacturer's instructions. Once cured, inspect the area for any remaining issues. If there are still signs of movement or additional cracks, further reinforcement may be needed. For persistent foundation issues, consult a professional foundation repair specialist. Never ignore signs of foundation damage, as it can lead to more severe problems. Keep an eye on your foundation regularly to catch issues early. Addressing cracks promptly can save time and money in the long run. Proper maintenance and preventive measures can extend the life of your foundation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.